Hi angels, hi my loves. Welcome back for another video. Thank you for having your breakfast with lvluxegirl. In today's video, you guys, I wanted to talk about a pair of Timberland boots in my boot collection. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. And at the end of the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. So yeah, you guys, I wanted to talk about one of my favorite pair of Timberland boots out of my Timberland collection. And a while back I did a video on some of my favorite Timberlands, but I didn't include this pair of Timberlands in my video, you guys. So today I wanted to talk about them. I absolutely love this pair of Timberland. I think part of the reason is because it's kind of like a riding boot, and the name of the boot is the Courmayeur, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you guys. This is the tag for it. This is what it looks like. So it's the Timberland, I believe it's called the Courmayeur, and it's in Nubuck. That's it right there. It's a tall boot, and it's the Courmayeur Valley tall boot in Nubuck. You guys, Timberland, in my opinion, is known for the classic wheat Timbs, you know, the classic Timbs. That pair I love as well. But when you get that on a high, knee high, or thigh high, or, you know, calf high boot, it's just absolutely adorable, you guys. So this is what they look like. This is how I have them in the box right here. And let me go ahead and show you guys. This is what the boot looks like. Oh, look at all that beautiful nubuck, you guys, in a tall Timberland boot. I absolutely love that. So this is the boot right here that I want to talk about today, you guys. And what I love about it is, you know, you don't always want to be on a heel. As a lady, you want to look cool, you want to rock your Timbs, but sometimes you don't always want to be on a high heel boot, you guys. So that being the case, you want a boot that has grip, and you want a boot that's fashionable. And this is like a classic pair of Timbs, but just the tall version. You know, you don't have the lacing or anything. You get the side zip. It's a side zip boot. And I believe it has the logo right there for Timberland. Also, when you go ahead and unzip the boot, you get that Timberland name right there. That's so beautiful, you guys. You get the logo and the name right there. The inside is such a beautiful plaid. That's the way they went ahead and designed this pair. It's such a beautiful plaid in there. And I've worn these many a day. You could see that I've worn these. They've carried me through the ice and the snow, and they help you guys, because you're not going to slip and fall. You're not going to slip and fall with these because they have so much grip at the bottom of them. Look at all that right there. The heel isn't high. Also, look at the color. The nubuck color that Timberland is known for follows through, carries through to the heel, you guys, and to the sole of the boot. They're an absolutely beautiful pair of Timberland boots, you guys. So this is what they look like. And the back has this pull tab for you to help, to help jack it up and to help pull it up on your calf as you're putting them on. And they're absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love this pair of Timberlands in my boot collection. So I wanted to share them with you guys today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. And I'm gonna go ahead and link my other Timberland boot videos in the description, drop down bar below, as well as check out my playlist on my channel. And I'll see you again soon in another video.